Guys, welcome to NUS U Town Residence. Today is my first day at the National University of Singapore and I will show you the residence. So these are the main two blocks. This is the north block, this is the south block of the U Town Residence. There are ample amounts of restaurants and places you can eat, cafes. There is the supermarket, #NUS. Let me give a room tour of the U Town Residence. So all of this is a part of U Town. This green field is also the part of U Town, but now I'll take you to the residential complex. So they would provide you with a room card of the U Town Residence, and as you can see, this is the 17th floor. This is a lift. You have to basically tap and then press 17. Chalo to the 17th floor. So we have reached 17. And my room number is 208, which is this side. So there's our room 208. This is a view from the room, lovely view. There's a swimming pool. That's the NUS High School of Math and Science. That's the field. Let's get in. So this is how the living room looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rooms. Let me show you my room. To tap in. Yes, so this is what the NUS room looks like. Here's one bed. It's spacious. This is a study table. That is a light. Yeah, there's a fan, there's a AC. There are also non-AC rooms. There's a cupboard. Yeah. And there's the window. The view from the window is also nice, and it's 17th floor, so there's ample wind. And let me show you the other places. These are 3 other rooms. So one flat has 4 bedrooms. This is the fridge. This is a kitchen space. There's a microwave, but nothing to cook. There's no induction or no stoves. It's tap water. This is basically where you would wash basin. This is for shower. Yep. And this is your toilet. So that is how the room looks like. So basically these are 4 bedroom apartments in the UTR or U Town Residence. There is one shower, there is one washroom, and the rest living space I just showed you. This is how the room looks like. Yeah, so that is going to be my residence for, I don't know, maybe 1 year or maybe the next 4 to 5 years. Let's see.